Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So good to have you here. Thank you so much for stopping by. For today we are making homemade yogurt. It's so easy to make. All you need are two ingredients: whole milk and a yogurt culture or yogurt starter. So in a saucepan you just empty the milk in it. I used peak milk full cream for this, so I used 2 liters of milk for this recipe. You want to stir this mixture occasionally so that it doesn't burn. All we are looking for is for it to come to a boil. Once it comes to a boil, just turn off your heat and then leave it to cool down. Once it comes off the heat, you leave it to cool down. It's likely that a thin film, just as shown, will form on top of it. You're going to remove that, and then to test to see if it's ready to take in the culture or the yogurt starter, just dip your finger in there. If you're able to withstand the heat for about 5 to 10 seconds, then it's ready for the culture. Note, your mixture should not be hot. If it's hot, it's going to kill the active bacteria in the starter. It shouldn't be cold as well, or else the bacteria won't be formed either. So you're just looking for a lukewarm or a warm consistency. So at this point, I just add the starter and then pour it back into the yogurt mixture. I love making yogurts because it's so easy and it's more affordable. Plus, the benefits from yogurt are immense. So it's a staple in my fridge. If I'm not buying it, I'm making it for myself. I also like to sieve my mixture at this point just to trap any residue or lumps from the mixture. When all that is done, I like to pour it in an airtight plastic container. I'm going to cover this in a napkin and a towel, then leave it in a very warm place for a couple of hours. So my oven is always warm, so I just cover it in a napkin and then a towel and then place it in the oven. I let this sit for about 16 hours to 20 hours. So do not disturb it. Don't go and open and be checking. Be patient. You're going to be rewarded with yogurt in the end. So just leave it to do its own thing during this time. Okay, so it's 20 hours later. Let's see the magic we made. All right, so our yogurt is set and ready. Now when you turn it over, don't panic. It looks kind of funny, it looks ugly at this point, but we'll fix it very soon. All you need to do is just whisk it up. You whisk everything together and you'll be rewarded with the creamiest, smoothest yogurt ever. Now here's another catch. If you want a more thicker consistency, you can leave it for about 24 hours, or from this 20 hours point, you can leave it in the fridge for it to set some more. I also like to scoop a little bit. This is going to be my active culture for the next batch of yogurt, so I'm going to leave that in the fridge as well. Just look at the consistency. Now look at that consistency, so lush and silky and smooth. You can sweeten with any sweetener of choice. You can enjoy it as a drink. You add just flavoring, any flavoring of choice, and enjoy it as a drink. I love to eat mine with granola. I always make granola for myself. So whenever I make yogurt, it's to enjoy with my granola. Thank you so much for stopping by. God bless you and see you later. Bye.